Good morning, students. Welcome back to today's class. In our last class, we have discussed about the digestion and about the parts of digestive system. In that, about the first part, that is the mouth. The mouth consists of three parts, the teeth, tongue and the salivary glands. So today, we are going to discuss about the remaining parts of the digestive system. Next part, what you can see after the mouth is the food pipe, which is also called as esophagus, and then comes the stomach, the liver and pancreas, which are called as associated glands, and then comes the small intestine, the large intestine, the rectum and anus. So food pipe is a narrow tube-like structure which is carrying the food from the mouth and it takes to the stomach. So it is a tube which is carrying and the food reaches to the stomach. So what is a stomach? Stomach is a bag-like structure where the food is churned and it is changed into a paste. Here in the mouth itself, children, some part of the food is partially digested. So that food which is partially digested through the food pipe or the esophagus, it reaches into the stomach. So in the stomach again, the food is churned. Churning means rotating. So it is churned and changes into a paste like substance, and the food gets mixed with the gastric juice. So in the mouth, there are salivary glands which secrete saliva, where it is helping the food to get digested, partially digested, and from there it reaches to the stomach. In the stomach, we have the gastric juice which secretes the gastric glands which secretes the gastric juice, and with the help of the gastric juice, it helps in the digestion of food. The food is getting digested in the stomach also. So in the stomach, generally the food stays for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, children. So from the stomach, the partially digested food again goes to the small intestine through liver and pancreas. Okay, not through liver and pancreas, but it goes from stomach to the small intestine. So when the food is going into the small intestine, the liver and pancreas are called as associated glands, where the liver secretes the bile juice and the pancreas secretes the pancreatic juice. So with the help of these juices, the enzymes are produced, and that enzymes help in the digestion of food. So liver is called as the largest gland in our body, and it is about 1.5 kg. The weight of liver is 1.5 kg, and pancreas secretes a pancreatic juice which looks like brownish green color fluid. So with the help of the bile juice secreted by liver and the pancreatic juice which is secreted by the pancreas, the food gets digested in the small intestine. So small intestine is the longest part of the digestive system, which is 7 meters long and 3 centimeter in diameter. So small intestine is 7 meters long and 3 centimeters in diameter. The food is digested with the help of the juices secreted by the associated glands. So what the small intestine will do, children? The small intestine will absorb the nutrients. That is a function of small intestine. It absorbs the nutrients from the digested food and it takes them to all the cells of the body. Okay, cell is nothing but basic unit. So the small intestine will absorb all the nutrients and it sends to them to all the cells of the body through the blood. Okay, through the blood. So these nutrients which are supplied will be producing the energy, and it gives the energy to all the parts. It gives energy to all the parts of the body. Okay, children. Then during this process in the small intestine, some of the waste is also produced. Okay, children. So that waste which is produced during the process of digestion, that is sent into the large intestine. So small intestine is the end part of digestion. So the digestion starts in the mouth and it ends in the small intestine. The undigested food goes to the large intestine, and the large intestine is 7 centimeter in diameter and about 3 meters long. So large intestine is 3 meters long and about 7 centimeter in diameter. And what the large intestine will do? The large intestine will absorb the water from undigested food, and it is just sending it to all the parts of the body, and the remaining waste that will be sent to the anus. So anus is the place where the undigested food is collected and it is eliminated. So the undigested semi-solid waste product is eliminated from the body through an opening. So that opening is nothing but called as anus. Okay, children. So this is regarding the parts of digestive system. I hope you can see the picture very clearly here, children, which is showing the different parts of the digestive system. So first you can see the mouth, then it goes to the salivary glands, what you can see here, which secretes saliva, and this is the food pipe, and here you can see the liver, which is the largest gland, stomach, then yellow color one, that is pancreas, and here you have the gallbladder, and this is the small intestine. This green color one is large intestine, rectum and anus. So here you can see also very clearly the stomach where the food is stored for 2 to 3 hours. Then from the stomach through the liver and pancreas, the juices will be secreted. The food is partially digested in the stomach and then goes into the small intestine. The small intestine will absorb the nutrients which are present and send it to all the cells of the body. The undigested waste goes into the large intestine. The large intestine will absorb water from the undigested food and send to all the parts of the body, and from the large intestine it gets collected in the rectum and comes out through the anus. So this is regarding the parts of digestive system. Children, hope you have understood about the digestive system. Already you have learned in detail about all these parts in your lower classes. Yes, children? So, thank you. Have a wonderful day. Read the textbook for your better understanding. Thank you, children.